Iceland, the land of fire and ice, where nature speaks in a language of awe and intrigue. To any visitor's eye, Iceland is a nation that seems nearly unreal and made up of contrasts. Its landscape ranges from vast glaciers and icebergs to volcanic landscapes and black sandy beaches. So, whether you're exploring the mysteriously beautiful landscapes or marveling at its skies lit up by the flickering northern lights, Iceland is a destination that is guaranteed to leave you spellbound. Let's start exploring this nation, starting with its capital city itself. Reykjavik, the vibrant capital of Iceland, is a blend of modern culture and a rich history set against a jaw-droppingly unique natural backdrop. One of the most famous attractions of Reykjavik is the Seljalandsfoss waterfall. It's a unique wonder where you can walk behind a curtain of cascading water. The view from behind the waterfall, with mist swirling and light filtering through the water, is nothing short of magical. This architectural masterpiece not only defines the Reykjavik skyline, but stands as a symbol of Iceland's artistic and spiritual heritage. Inspired by Iceland's basalt lava flows, the church's striking fractal design reflects the island's natural beauty. Climbing to the top rewards you with sweeping panoramic views that encompass the vibrant city and beyond, making it a must-visit landmark. A little further away, nestled within a stark, otherworldly landscape of black lava fields, sits the Blue Lagoon. The surreal experience of soaking in milky blue, geothermal waters rich in minerals provides the ultimate relaxation amidst Iceland's dramatic scenery. Brúarfoss is one of the lesser-known treasures of Reykjavik. Here, strikingly blue waters cascade over multiple levels of rugged volcanic rock. The waterfall's ethereal beauty, often compared to liquid sapphire, offers a peaceful retreat to visitors. This gleaming steel sculpture, shaped like a Viking ship, captures the adventurous spirit and deep-rooted voyaging history of the Icelandic people. Sitting meditatively beside a waterfront, it is an artistic marvel that invites reflection and appreciation of life's journey. Vatnajökull National Park is home to Europe's largest glacier and some of Iceland's most breathtaking scenery. This park offers a dramatic landscape that, in typical Icelandic fashion, is shaped by fire and ice. Arguably one of the most mesmerizing and magical locations in Iceland has to be Diamond Beach. This unique shoreline resembles a gleaming black necklace, studded with brilliant blue and white diamonds. Diamond Beach is where ice chunks from the glacier lagoon wash up on the black sand, sparkling like diamonds in the sunlight. The contrast between the jet-black sands and the glittering ice is absolutely surreal, making this an unmissable place on any Iceland travel plan. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon is another icy marvel. In this serene glacial lake, floating icebergs create a mesmerizing and ever-changing landscape. The lagoon's deep blue waters and the icebergs, striking colors from pure white to sapphire blue, make it a visual spectacle. The Westfjords is Iceland's most remote and rugged region. Known for its dramatic fjords, towering cliffs, and untouched wilderness, this area is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers. Raudasandur Beach in the Westfjords is a unique contrast to Iceland's typical black sand beaches, featuring striking red and golden sands that stretch along the deep blue sea. This secluded beach, surrounded by towering cliffs, offers a peaceful retreat, and the vivid colors of the sand against the ocean create a mesmerizing landscape that is truly one of a kind. Dynjandi, often referred to as the jewel of the Westfjords, is a majestic tiered waterfall that cascades down a mountainside like a bridal veil. The series of smaller waterfalls below create a breathtaking spectacle that is both powerful and serene. Hvítserkur, known as the Troll of Northwest Iceland, is a 15-meter-tall basalt rock formation rising from the sea, resembling a mythological creature. This natural wonder, shaped by volcanic activity and force of the sea around it, sparks the imagination with its mysterious silhouette. Often called Iceland in miniature, the Snæfellsnes Peninsula offers a diverse range of landscapes, from black sand beaches to towering glaciers. This region is steeped in folklore and natural beauty, making it a microcosm of the entire island. With its distinct, conical shape, Kirkjufell is one of Iceland's most photographed mountains. Its symmetry, the charming waterfalls around it, and its perfect reflection in the lake below make it a favorite among photographers and nature lovers alike. Whether bathed in the golden light of the midnight sun or silhouetted against the northern lights, Kirkjufell is a timeless icon of Icelandic beauty. Búðakirkja, the black wooden church set against the beautiful Icelandic greenery, is a hauntingly beautiful symbol of Iceland's blend of history and nature. The church's solitary presence amidst the rugged landscape creates a scene of striking contrast and deep serenity. Perched on rugged cliffs overlooking the Atlantic Ocean is another Icelandic landmark, Svörtuloft Lighthouse. This remote beacon stands as a guardian of the sea. The top of this iconic lighthouse offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Its stark beauty set against the wild scenery that surrounds it creates a dramatic and unforgettable experience. The Golden Circle is one of Iceland's most popular tourist routes. This 300-kilometer loop from Reykjavik covers three major sites: Thingvellir National Park, the Gullfoss Waterfall, and the Hákarlur geothermal area. The first point of this trail is the Thingvellir National Park. At Thingvellir, the Earth literally pulls apart as the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates drift away from each other. The landscape, with gorges and fissures, shaped by ancient volcanic activity, tells the story of the planet's dynamic forces. Here you can explore the Silfra Fissure. Nestled within Thingvellir National Park is Uxarárfoss Waterfall. The next part of the Golden Circle is the Gullfoss Falls, which translates to Golden Falls. This thundering waterfall plunges into the Vita River Canyon with incredible force. The last leg goes through Hákarlur geothermal area. In Hákarlur, the Earth's energy bubbles to the surface in the form of boiling mud pots, steaming vents, and explosive geysers. The area's landscape is surreal, with its sulfuric aroma and hissing steam. Strókur Geyser is the star of Hákarlur, erupting every few minutes with a spectacular blast of hot water that reaches up to 30 meters high. With that, we wind up this wonder-filled journey through Iceland. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. If you're as captivated by Iceland's beauty as we are, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more breathtaking travel content. Let us know in the comments which Icelandic wonder you'd love to visit first. Until next time, happy travels!